Today I am here in the city of Schweinfurt with my student Mr. Dikshat Patel, who came to Germany in 2022. He came through Amratpal of Vision successfully without wasting a year or without even wasting a 6 months of the important academic years of his life. He will show us the campus of THWS. Mr. Dikshat will be also addressing very important questions of coming to Germany, and he will also let us know about the important bachelor's degrees which are conducted here in THWS, which are in English.
This building right here is the place where there are rooms which are sponsored by various companies, and they have specific equipments required for specific applications.
I almost traveled 60,000 plus kilometers, taken 60 plus flights around the globe just to make sure that everybody is living happily and doing great in their lives, who went for studies through Amratpal of Vision. Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal of Vision. Today I am here in the city of Schweinfurt in Germany and with my student Mr. Dikshat Patel, who came to Germany in 2022 for doing his bachelor's in business and engineering from THWS Wolfsburg Schweinfurt. So today we will be doing a campus tour of the university, and Mr. Dikshat will be also addressing very important questions of coming to Germany. He came through Amratpal of Vision successfully without wasting a year or without even wasting a 6 months of the important academic years of his life. So today he will show us the campus of THWS, and he will also let us know about the important bachelor's degrees which are conducted here in THWS, which are in English. That is Mechatronics, Robotics and Business and Engineering, what he is doing here in Germany. So guys, as you know that I always visit my students anywhere in the world who went for studies through Amratpal of Vision, in US, in Canada, in Germany, in UK, in Australia. I almost visited 200 students of Amratpal of Vision, went to the universities, went to the cities, particular cities where they live. I almost traveled 60,000 plus kilometers, taken 60 plus flights around the globe just to make sure that everybody is living happily and doing great in their lives. So again, here in the city of Schweinfurt, I'm here today with Mr. Dikshat Patel. So Dikshat, so today's video is very important.
Yes.
And guys, he is Dikshat. He is working, he is a bachelor student, and he has cracked the interview of a government organization, that is BAMR. Right, BAMR is a German insurance company, public insurance company, and he is also closely working with Amratpal of Vision. He is in a government organization, that is BAMR. He always issue the insurances of the students for Amratpal of Vision. Like, as you know that once you are in Germany, before getting into the university, you need insurance, a German public insurance. So he is working in that organization. Within 24 hours, he issued the insurance for the students of Amratpal of Vision. Generally, it takes 1 week to issue the insurance, then send it to the university, then university issue the enrollment thing. So that is a whole different process. We will also talk about that process in detail with Mr. Dikshat Patel. So Dikshat, thanks for coming in this video and showing us the campus today. So guys, we will be here where he is living right now. This is a student accommodation for the city, for the THWS student. He is living here. Many of the Indian students are living here. Many of the Amratpal of Vision students are also living here. So right now we are going to the university THWS. Then we will be discussing many things, right, related to insurance, related to studying here in bachelor's in English, related to without wasting a time in India and directly coming here for bachelor's. So guys, always stay updated with us, because I am the only mentor who is visiting all the students who went through us, irrelevant of the country, irrelevant of the city, irrelevant of the university. Almost 200 students covered. You will see many campus tours of the universities around the globe. So guys, subscribe my channel, that is Amratpal of Vision, your mentor, guide and friend during your studies abroad.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch.
Hello everyone, I am Dikshant Patel. I am student of Amratpal Vision and I came to Germany in year 2022. Right now we are standing in front of FHWS. This university is now called THWS because of changing the name, and it is situated in a city called Schweinfurt. I am studying Bachelor's in Business and Engineering since 1 year. I am in my 3rd semester currently, and today we are going to take a tour of this university and we will explore everything in detail. Let's go!
They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So basically right now we are in the backyard of our university. This is our library where students can study and borrow books. It is free of cost. You can come here to study and learn. This is a place where different subjects such as physics, application of engineering, daily life are taught. There are lecture halls over here. In this building, there are specific rooms which are sponsored by various companies where students can use specific equipments to research and learn. Right over here is our Mensa. Mensa is a German word for English canteen. And we have basically discounted food over here for students. They don't pay the same price as the market, and we can get various dishes over the course of the week. They always update the plan regularly on the website, and yeah, this is basically where we eat and we spend our most of time.
How much it costs for one-time food?
It costs average around 3 or 2.5 euros, but it is really less compared to the prices which are in the market.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts say and turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts.
So now we are going inside our library. It is called Bibliothek in German. These are the study boxes, so it's soundproof and you can sit over here and study and discuss with your friends whatever you want. It is inside the library, but it's okay to use it, and basically it's for group discussion. So now I will show you how we use lockers over here. Lockers are provided by university and you can loan the locker for 1 week free of cost, and you get key from the library. So here in our lobby we have some old gadgets which are preserved over years. So these are our university colors, orange and white. Yeah, and so if you are interested in playing piano, we have a full-scale piano over here. It is free for everyone to use, and you can just come here and play your tunes. So now I will show you a Formula E car, which is developed by our university. This car is developed by our university, and various companies sponsor it for different materials. For example, Schaeffler is sponsoring for the ball bearings, and other companies are listed on the car. This is one of our main Yorzal. Yorzal means lecture hall in English. So over here, some of our main university events take place. Along with that, this serves as a big hall as well. Basically, we have everything over which is required over here. There is a live translator. There are some hybrid lectures which are going on sometimes over here, where students just sit over here, and there are 1 or 2 professors giving lectures about important topics. So now we will try to go to labs. If they are open, we will visit them. If not, then we will carry on. This is information board for the lab of acoustics. Basically, they study sound waves over here. So we have this building where there are different rooms which are sponsored by various companies which are partner of our university. At this place, various students from across the world come, and it is specifically for those students, and that's why it is called FHWS I Point. Here students from different parts of the world come to get information and learn how to settle themselves in Germany. So these are the rooms which are sponsored by various companies which are partner of our university, as we told earlier. This room is sponsored by SKF. They are one of the best ball bearings making companies in the world. These 2 classrooms are sponsored by Lioni and Fresenius Medical Care respectively. And this over here, we call it infinite pendulum. So over here, we have display boards from Schaeffler and SKF. These both companies are pioneer in ball bearing industry, and they are technology partners of our university as well. So this was the campus tour of main campus of THWS. They offer 3 courses which are Business and Engineering, Robotics and Mechatronics. All of these courses are offered in English and German. So contact Amratpal Vision to know which course suits your profile. Personally for myself, I am doing Business and Engineering. Me and Amratpal sir sat together to make sure that I have the best course which suits my profile. Basically my course is combination of business modules and engineering modules. Contact Amratpal Vision to get more information about these courses. They will compare the courses for you and they will make sure that you get the best course which is suitable to the interest which you have. Also, there are more than 30 students of Amratpal Vision studying in this university. So when you come to this university, we are here for you.